So first of all, I'd like to describe what we see as a stability issue with iPSC lines. So iPSCs intrinsically have their own property, line-to-line variation, that's kind of relate to how the cells are made. So we have seen cases where iPSCs have higher tendency to spontaneously differentiate during the culturing. That problem becomes much bigger problems when you scale them up, meaning you have to do more passages. Their culture environment might not be ideal as when you were doing a smaller population of iPSCs. So if the starting iPSC line is not ideal, it's not optimal, that will lead to a bigger problem down the road.